I got a delivery from Great Garden Plants. I bought 4 white Eden roses, 2 for myself and 2 for my mom and my mom-in-law. So I just wanted to, I've never ordered from this company before. These are 1 quart size rose, so they're gonna be pretty small, but they're potted, not bare root. So let's see. Oops. Oh, there's our tiny 1 quart little roses. Look at them. So these are the white Eden. So you always hear about the normal Eden, just Eden climbing roses. But I saw that they have a white one, and I think it looks, I don't know, I just have a thing for white roses. I love them more than the pinks, I think. So I bought 4 of them. This one kind of fell out of its pot, but they wrapped it with plastic, so it's still okay. Look at that. They look really good. They're tiny, but they look pretty good. That's 2 of them. Let's see the other 2. Yeah, this side, the plant fell out of its pot, but stuff it back in there like that. Okay, I'll put the soil back in, but I think they look pretty good for being shipped out. They've shipped it out pretty fast, actually. They were here in a couple days, but yeah. These are my 4 white Eden climbing roses. Excited to plant 2 of them and gift the other 2. Here's one of the Eden roses that I transplanted. They're doing well, putting on new growth. And here is the other one. I have to cage them for now because they're so tiny, just in case the deer are out here so they don't eat them. This is how the little white Eden roses are doing right now. This weekend is Mother's Day, so they're going to be gifted. But they put on so much growth. And they have new growth right now.